Gear up for the ultimate biking experience on the 1st of Thep as JN Suzuki presents the Riding Fest. Come be a part of the sporty riders.
Ka Office Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hills District Kalapantip baki Kyrtong gi batmuy khun ka election MDC Khas Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ki badai na shpautali gi MDC Constituency ka East Khas Hills District kinhap ban Leit Thep Kyrteng iladi lani file nomination ha Jaka badon ka Interstate Bus Terminus ISBT ha Mawīong kini ki kenthop i Kyrtong na Magonro Nongkrem Miliam laban Mauprem Nong Thamai Malki Laj Omkhra Maukhor Penthor Omkhra Jayaw Maulai ban Mauplang Ding Yai kani kalong shibenta ka jingpentep ki bor pnya district ha ka arp sautrek Kuala Lumpur arjar option na ka benta ka jingpengkhre election MDC sha ki HADC ka balabu banlong ha ka arpoi trek urumphang arjar option ka badai ka chuk sngi ban pelong election MDC sha ka China Hills Autonomous District Council CHADC ki bor pnya district kila pentep baka model code of conduct kan tray kam nadu ka arpnyo trek Kuala Lumpur arjar option tadadu ka sngi ba penmanai result kata ka arp sau trek urumphang arjar option Kadaw bukongsan bela penlong ka ISBT Mawīong kum ke Jaka Thep Kyrteng ki Kyrtong bani khun MDC kadai ban pelai ka nongba Shillong nak chingdheng kali khamtam bela dairu ki porlong school shusho ki bor pnya district East Khas Hills kila pentebru bai Kyrtong na Arli Constituency ki borman Thep Kyrteng ha Office Deputy Commissioner ka district kilong ka sorang kham bat Mausan Ram katba ki Kyrtong na Nongspung Soyong Constituency kin Thep Kyrteng ha Office DRDA hachan ka Office Deputy Commissioner Shushu ki Kyrtong MDC ki bai aireng na Shela bat Sora MDC Constituency kin hap an Thep Kyrteng ha Office Sora Civil Subdivision bat ki Kyrtong ki bai na Langkardam Laikro bat Nongsken Pat Hapan Usla Civil Subdivision kajing Thep Kyrteng kan sedang nadu ka singi bat rekam Model Code of Conduct bat ki result na kini ki Shpautali Constituency ru an ban bana na ka teki Jaka yang bas ha ka arp sautrek urumphang arjar option
inform you about the forthcoming KHADC election 2025. So we are going to declare notify the election on Monday, that is 27 January 2025. We are going to also issue some prohibitory orders for defacement of any private and public property. The period of filing of claims and objections for enrollment in the electoral roll has already been completed on the 22nd, and on the 27th we are going to release the electoral roll, the final electoral roll. Thereafter, the same will be handed over to the political parties, and it will also be people can view it. The next is for your kind information, JN Stadium will not be used for any purpose of election this time. We are shifting to ISBT. So we are going to have 15 assembly KHADC constituency, and out of which 10 constituency will be the nomination will be taken in ISBT. 10, 3 will be in DC's office, and 2 in Penorsla, and Lankadam will be in SDO Civil Penorsla. So the 3 assembly against constituency which will be taken up in DC's office will be Nongspong, Soyong and Soreka. Okay. The rest 10 will be in ISBT. And then we already have about 2 rounds of training with the ROs and AROs, and also with the political party. And today this is the 3rd and final round with the political parties. We briefed them the same thing that we are briefing you just now. As you all know, the law and order situation in our district is peaceful, except for 1 or 2 pockets, which that also will be handled. Then we have a ceiling of expenditure for the candidates, which is 5 lakhs. The security deposits is 3,000. And also we have the commissioning of the EVMs. As of today, all the EVMs are there in ISBT. As today it's a warehouse because it contains the EVMs of other districts too. But once we commission the EVMs, they will keep it in the strong room in ISBT itself, and from there we'll distribute to the different polling station on the date to be notified on Monday. Okay, so yes, we have actually a list of symbol also will be getting soon, so we'll be sharing with the political parties.
Ma'am, you've mentioned about 2 places where the law and order, you're ensuring that it'll be under control. What are these places?
One particularly right now. This is Mawīong. So this will be settled as of today. It's under curfew. One particular location, that is the Krishna Mission School, that will be resolved. Actually, what happened is, as you all know, this is a period when school will be starting very soon, and also you've seen in a day-to-day there's traffic jam. Number 2 is that there are schools which have the board exam has already been started. So to ease the traffic, and also because most of the activities of this election process is in ISBT, so we have decided that 10 of the constituency should be in ISBT. All political parties contesting candidates by private permission from the Deputy Commissioner's Office or Divisional Officers Civil Office for holding any public meeting, procession and rally. That also include using of loudspeaker. Then for handling of the polling booth, no one without a valid pass from the returning officer concerned, from DC, from the returning officer concerned, shall enter the polling booth. Then the next is cash. Carrying of cash money in excess of 50,000 is prohibited. Okay. If anyone, there are business people who do carry cash more than 50,000, they have already applied along with all relevant documents. There are people who are doing with big business people, so they've already applied. Okay, and the contest that will be for both the in public as well as contesting candidate and their supporters. And any violation of this model code of conduct shall be addressed by the Deputy Commissioner and also the returning officer concerned. That's it.
What about depositing of arms licenses?
That also we have already issued an order for people with arms to deposit it in the Malkana.
With the political parties, where there has been exchange of views, there has been exchange of ideas in as far as ensuring that it is a seamless process, the whole process of the election, starting from the nominations right up to the counting of the votes, which is scheduled on the 24th of February 2025. We have had a very meaningful deliberation, and we are grateful to the representatives of the different political parties who have spared their valuable time to be here with us. As you are aware that the model code of conduct will come into force on the 27th of January, that is on Monday. And as pointed out by Madam DC, prohibitory orders will be issued today itself, but will come into force from the 27th of January. Prohibitory orders on defacement of property, prohibitory orders on deposition of arms, prohibitory orders in as far as carrying money is concerned beyond 50,000, and for which if there are individuals, if any, who carry cash beyond 50,000 without intimation to this office, the same will be confiscated by our teams comprising of sector magistrates and sector police officers.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukam shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.